This is week 5, task 3, Castle Learning, question number 11. It says in the diagram ABCD is a rectangle. So this whole larger figure here is a rectangle, and we know that opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. With point E on DC, EC is 5, BE is 13, and AB is 20. The area of trapezoid ABED is. So they're asking us to look at this figure here. Okay. Now, let's go back to pen. I know my base DE is 20. Oh, sorry. The total is 20 because it should be equal to AB. So DC is 20, EC is 5, so DE must be 15. Okay, because 15 and 5 gives me the 20 because those side lengths are congruent. So I have my bases, base 1 and base 2, but I'm needing my height. Now my height, remember, is the line that is perpendicular to the base, and in this case it's the side of the trapezoid. And we are unaware of what length AD is, but we know that it is congruent to BC because of the overarching rectangle that we have here. If I'm looking here, so this is also my height of the trapezoid, I notice that I have a right angle, and I know that's 90 degrees because rectangles have 4 90-degree angles. So when I have two sides of a right triangle and I want to find a missing side, I can use Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. In our case, our a is 5, our b is h, and our c, the hypotenuse, is 13. So I end up with 25 plus h squared equals 169. I subtract the 25 from both sides, and I'm left with h squared equals 144. I take the square root, and h equals 12. So now I know that my height is equal to 12, and I can plug my base values and my height into the area of a trapezoid to get my answer.